Diseases have always been a part of human history. Some of them have attracted special attention due to their unusual symptoms. These diseases have not only posed great challenges to the medical world, but also become complex mysteries due to their unusual nature. Join us as we take a look into the fascinating and mysterious world of these diseases and get up close and personal with some of the strangest health disorders ever known. Number 1 at list is the most mysterious disease. Number 10. Progeria is a rare and fatal genetic disease that leads to premature aging in children. Children with progeria usually show symptoms of this disease in their first or second year of life. These symptoms include slow growth, hair loss, thin skin, and wrinkles similar to those of the elderly. There is no definitive cure for progeria. Number 9. Alien hand syndrome is one of the strangest and rarest neurological disorders. People with this condition have no control over one of their hands, and this hand may do things independently of the person's will, such as grabbing objects, pulling on clothes, or even hitting themselves. It usually occurs after a brain injury, brain surgery, or stroke. There is no specific treatment for this syndrome. Number 8. Hydrocephalus is a condition in which cerebrospinal fluid builds up inside the ventricles of the brain, causing an abnormally enlarged head. Hydrocephalus can lead to developmental delays, motor and cognitive problems. Common treatments include surgery to drain excess fluid from the brain or use special tubes to direct the fluid to other parts of the body. Number 7. Pica is an eating disorder in which a person has an abnormal desire to eat non-food objects or substances. These materials can include soil, clay, ice, hair, paper, or even metals. The main cause of pica is not known. This disease is more common in children and pregnant women. The treatment of pica usually includes psychological counseling and providing nutrients needed by the body. Number 6. Situs inversus is a rare congenital malformation in which the internal organs of the body are placed upside down relative to their normal locations. For example, the heart may be on the right side of the body, or the liver and spleen may be moved to opposite sides. In most cases, this condition does not cause any serious health problems. Number 5. Polycystic kidney disease is a genetic disease that leads to the formation of multiple cysts in the kidneys. These cysts can damage the kidneys by getting bigger and filled with fluid and eventually cause kidney failure. In some cases, this disease can also damage other organs in the body. There is no cure for polycystic kidney disease. Thanks for sticking with us until now and supporting us with your like and subscription. Number 4. Ehlers-Danlos syndrome is a group of rare genetic disorders that affect the body's connective tissues. These tissues, which include skin, joints, and vascular walls, are very flexible and fragile in people with Ehlers-Danlos syndrome. Symptoms of Ehlers-Danlos syndrome may include very thin and stretchy skin, excessively soft and flexible joints, and a tendency to bruise and bleed. Number 3. Ectodermal dysplasia causes various abnormalities in the skin, hair, teeth, and sweat glands. People with this condition may have dry skin, missing teeth, or lack of natural hair. Number 2. Transient global amnesia causes a person to temporarily and suddenly lose the ability to create and recall new memories. This forgetfulness usually lasts for a few hours and then gradually disappears. Number 1. Fibrodysplasia ossificans progressiva causes soft tissues such as muscles, tendons, and ligaments to gradually turn into bone. This process permanently limits the movement and flexibility of the body. People with this disease, even as a result of minor injuries or inflammations, may develop new bones. This condition causes the body to gradually freeze and movement becomes extremely difficult or even impossible for the person. So far, there is no definitive treatment for this disease.